When people hear hub motor, they often assume all hub motors are basically the same. But that's not true. Today, I want to show you what makes a direct drive hub motor different, and why that matters for e-bike brands building urban, cargo, or commercial platforms. A direct drive hub motor is a gearless motor integrated directly into the wheel hub. That means there are no internal reduction gears between the motor and the wheel. Instead, power flows in a much simpler, more direct way, and that changes everything. This architecture creates a motor that is smoother, quieter, and mechanically much simpler than geared alternatives. It also enables features like real regenerative braking, something that's much harder to achieve in many geared systems. For an e-bike manufacturer, this is critical, because choosing a motor is never just about raw power. It directly impacts maintenance, ride feel, system integration, long-term durability, and ultimately, the experience your customer will have every single day. And in urban mobility or cargo applications, those factors become even more important. Fleet bikes, delivery platforms, heavy-use environments, they all require systems that perform consistently, with fewer wear components and predictable behavior over time. That's where direct drive becomes a serious engineering decision. Not just an alternative, but a solution designed for real-world use. Of course, no motor architecture is perfect for everything. The right choice always depends on your product, your rider, and the environment you're designing for. But if your priorities are simplicity, smooth support, low mechanical complexity, and strong performance in advanced urban use cases, then direct drive deserves much more attention than it usually gets. Because this is the key idea. A direct drive hub motor is not just another motor type. It's a completely different engineering philosophy. One that can unlock major advantages for the right e-bike platform,